What is up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Jeffrey, and this is going to be my first video I've ever posted on YouTube. And basically, long story short, it's going to be a go-kart build series, or more of like a restoration. I found the exact go-kart I used to have when I was a kid on Facebook Marketplace, and I'm about to go pick it up for 80 bucks. And I'm going to be building it and restoring it for my son, who's almost 2 years old now. His name's JJ. And I kind of just want to give him like that same childhood experience that I had. To me, this go-kart was a big part of that. I have so many freaking memories on that thing. I can't wait to even just see it. But I'm going to fuel up real quick, grab a drink, and head out to go pick it up. Vented, still good though. Listen to this bad boy purr. Alright guys, we're all fueled up. I'm gonna go pick up this Marketplace go-kart. 80 bucks, what a steal, dude. I got my Celsius, I got my truck, I'm feeling good, I'm ready to get this project going. The dude actually ended up living really close to my brother, so I sent my brother money. He was able to secure the go-kart, and now it's sitting in his shed waiting for me to pick her up and bring her home. About to pass my dad's house. F-150 there. Alright, just got to my brother's house. Here she is. It's actually not horrible condition.
Look, they put on here.
It's like one of those JDM tow straps. Nice. It's got the original Briggs & Stratton flathead motor. I believe it's a 5-point. Yeah, you look sweet in that thing, dude.
Do I?
Yeah. Dang, missing a tire. I like it.
Can't wait to drive it.
Well, we'll drive it.
Just a little bit.
And this kart is like, I'm pretty sure they're 80s, 90s made. So that means that motor's like at least 30 years old. Alright, Andrew's showing me some motors he's got that he said I can have. This one's freaking 8 horsepower. Thing would rip.
Oh yeah. Car washer. I think this would be the move for that little go-kart if you want power.
Dude, and it's electric start. Probably have to rig up a battery to it somehow, because you're supposed to plug it in.
Yeah.
Dang. As much as I want to rebuild the original motor,
Well, this is in good condition too. This one.
it's still in the Briggs & Stratton family. Same company.
Alright.
Ah, son of a... Cut that out.
It's too
I
cold.
literally knew that was coming, but I did it anyway.
It's even worse because it's cold out.
I need a wrench for this one. Cooked my knuckle.
Alright guys, we're making some progress. I'm taking the engine off of the snowblower.
Yep.
Just gotta get these belts off and then the engine should just pop right off.
It's almost like this thing's designed for the belt not to come off. Dude. Even if we don't put this motor on that go-kart, we could probably find like a bigger one to... Dude, this is so light too.
That's a nasty looking motor for a go-kart, dude.
You find a cheap go-kart frame, dude. So we have this motor, the one that's on that go-kart. I have my brand new snowblower motor, and I just bought one of those power washers. Came with the Harbor Freight Predator.
Oh, really?
So we've got like 4 motors that we could use on the project. Get the go-kart. You know what's crazy though is I messaged him like 3 months ago. Alright boys, the go-kart is secured. We're taking her home. And it's time to see the reaction of my wife and son. So I'll be sure to record that. Alright guys, just got back. Gonna get the wife and kids' reaction. JJ, you wanna see the new go-kart? Whoa, 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 whoa. You wanna see your new go-kart, JJ? Yeah. Alright, let's go. Let's go see it. Look what we got for you, buddy. Look what we got for you. Wanna go up and see it? Check her out, dude. Let's see your go-kart. Yeah, buddy. You wanna get it down and work on it? Let's get her down, bud. That way we can work on it. Yeah. Let's go get mommy. Yeah, let's go get mommy. Let's go get the go-kart.
Is it on record?
Yeah.
Alright, come here, Jay.
Watch
JJ,
out, buddy.
come here. Woohoo!
Check it out, buddy.
Nice.
Check it out.
Say woohoo!
It's our new project. You want to sit in it? Alright. Let's see. You got a little ways to grow before you can fit it.
Nice.
Oh yeah, dude. Here, I'll sit in here with you. Wanna drive me around? Yeah. Yeah, that is. It's the on-off switch. You don't quite fit it yet. Oh, and one other thing. Got that motor.
Oh.
You're like, oh, more junk for the garage. There's a group effort here. Trying to get the garage all cleaned up, have a place to work. JJ, you helping? Yeah, he's helping. Alright, I'm gonna give this thing a quick rinse before we bring it in the garage. Nice and clean. Ready to disassemble. Right, JJ? Yep. Now that it's in the garage and it's had some time to dry, you can kind of get a better look at it. It's definitely missing the intake, part of the exhaust. Definitely gonna need a new clutch, probably new sprocket, new brakes. Something going on with this. I'd like to keep this motor and rebuild this as the original one and restore it, repaint it, clean it, do everything. But I do have this 8-horse that my brother gave me. I also cleaned that up a little bit. But I also have this Craftsman 179cc. It's also electric start. So it's being 179cc, it's probably 4 or 5 horse. It is brand new. This thing's never been used. It got given to me. So I'm kind of in a toss-up between if I'm gonna be able to source the parts and find the parts to get this thing looking pristine, because at the end of the day I want this thing to look like it just came off of the factory assembly line. Like, I'm gonna have a friend that does graphic design. I'm gonna have him recreate the original decal logo that goes here, and that way once he makes that and sends it to me, I'll be able to contact a decal place, probably for cars or something, and get them to print it off. That way after it's all sanded and repainted, I'll stick that decal back on that I had made, and then we'll probably clear coat over it. Yeah, and also gonna need to make some seats for it. It's missing a wheel here, but yeah, I'll keep those wheels if I can find a matching wheel, but if I can't, then I'll probably have to just switch them all out, do new tires. And also, if you like cars, dirt bikes, motorcycles, I got tons of projects that I'm looking to get done this summer, so if you made it this far, please consider subscribing and liking the video. The next video, I'll basically show the disassembly and paint prep, and we'll probably have this thing completely taken apart and painted by the end of the next video. Peace.